The mystery of motivation, unlocking the drive to succeed. The hospital's unresolved puzzle. At Riverside General Hospital, a curious problem emerged. Some doctors and nurses were highly motivated, always energetic and passionate about their work. Others, however, seemed disengaged, merely going through the motions. Why did some people feel so driven while others lost interest? Dr. Mia Thompson, the hospital's head of staff development, was determined to find out. Motivation isn't just about hard work, she told her team. It's about understanding what truly drives us. She decided to investigate and uncover the secrets behind individual behavior and motivation. Content theories of motivation, the missing key. Dr. Mia gathered the staff for a meeting. Let's start with the basics. What makes people want to work hard? She introduced them to the Maslow hierarchy of needs, a five-level pyramid that explains human motivation. 1. Physiological needs. Basic survival needs like food and rest. 2. Safety needs. Job security and a stable workplace. 3. Love and belonging. Good workplace relationships. 4. Esteem needs. Feeling valued and respected. 5. Self-actualization. Reaching one's full potential. She turned to Nurse Kevin. Why do you work here? Kevin smiled. I started for the salary, but now I stay because I love helping people. That's my purpose. Mia nodded. That's the top of the pyramid, self actualization. Then she explained Aldous ERG theory, which simplified Maslow's model into three categories: 1. Existence, basic needs; 2. Relatedness, relationships; 3. Growth, personal development. Some workers needed job security, while others craved recognition and career advancement. To motivate someone, we need to understand which level they are at. Mia concluded. The hygiene factor discovery. Herzberg's two-factor theory. Dr. Mia noticed that some nurses were complaining about their salaries and hospital conditions. However, even when these issues were addressed, their motivation didn't increase. She explained Herzberg's two-factor theory. Hygiene factors: salary, policies, work conditions prevent dissatisfaction but don't create motivation. Motivators: growth, achievement, recognition, drive through engagement. Mia decided to redesign job to make work more meaningful, incorporating McClelland's three needs theory. Achievement: some workers loved setting and reaching goals. Power: others wanted leadership roles. Affiliation: many valued teamwork and social connections. By matching roles to people's inner drives, motivation soared. Process theories of motivation: how the puzzle pieces fit. Despite these improvements, some employees still lacked motivation. Dr. Mia wondered, what if motivation isn't just about needs, but also about how people perceive their efforts? She introduced them to expectancy theory. People work hard when they believe effort leads to performance, and performance leads to results. If they feel their work won't be recognized, they stop trying. She turned to Dr. Patel, a skilled but unmotivated surgeon. Why do you seem disengaged? He sighed. No matter how hard I work, I never get promotions or bonuses. It doesn't feel worth it. Mia realized he had low expectancy. He didn't believe his effort would bring rewards. She arranged a performance-based incentive system, and soon, Patel regained his passion. Equity theory, the fairness factor. Later, Mia noticed tension in the cafeteria. Two nurses, Sarah and Jake, were arguing. Sarah: I've been here for 5 years and work overtime. How come Jake, who just started, gets the same salary as me? Jake, that's not my fault. The system is broken. Mia recognized this as equity theory. People compare their efforts and rewards to others. If they feel under rewarded, they become frustrated. To fix this, she introduced transparent salary scales and promotion criteria. Fairness isn't about equal treatment, it's about ensuring effort and rewards are balanced. Attribution theory and motivation. The final piece. Mia then turned to why people react differently to setbacks. Dr. Patel, now motivated again, performed a difficult surgery that didn't go as planned. Instead of him blaming himself, he said sometimes things are out of control. Sometimes things are out of our control. Mia explained attribution theory, which describes how people interpret success and failure. Internal attribution, blaming oneself. Example, I failed because I'm not skilled enough. External attribution, blaming outside factors. The surgery was complicated. Some staff suffered from learned helplessness. After repeated failures, they stopped trying. Mia encouraged empowerment by focusing on what they could control, building resilience. Failure isn't the end, it's a lesson. The transformation of Riverside Hospital. Over months, motivation levels soared. Employees understood their inner drives, recognized fairness, and took control of their actions. One day, Mia walked through the halls, hearing laughter and teamwork. The mystery of motivation has been solved. Moral of the story: motivation is personal, it depends on needs and values. Fairness matters. People want rewards that match their efforts. Mindset is key. How we explain success or failures shapes our drive. Understanding individual behaviors and motivation can transform any workplace, just like it did at Riverside Hospital. The story creatively weaves in Maslow's hierarchy, Herzberg's two-factor theory, expectancy theory, equity theory, and attribution theory into an engaging narrative. Thank you for listening to Sarah Podcast. Bye.